Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be doing a cold start on the 1971 Chevy Cheyenne
Box edition.
C10 pickup truck. So yeah, we're going to see if she starts. Got some thrust mufflers on it. Thrush mufflers. Yes, we do have some extra antifreeze because I can keep her running now. Careful, you're close to the garage. Yeah, she's a cold one out. You can definitely see her breath. Are you sure you can keep her running? What? There she goes again. Oh, we got a little cranking in. Alright, well, peace out, like and subscribe, stay tuned for more.